Hello traders, in this video we're looking at the step average indicator for MT5. This tool applies a step logic to moving averages, creating a staircase-like representation of average price that can help you see trend changes and consolidations more clearly on your chart. Now load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks like in real time. Now as you can see, the step average indicator plots a moving average style line on the main chart that moves in discrete steps rather than as a continuously flowing curve. As price trends, the step average line maintains a direction for a period and then jumps to a new level once price moves far enough to justify an update, visually creating a staircase or stair step effect. Now, upward steps imply that average price is shifting higher and that bullish conditions are dominant, while downward steps imply the opposite. You can also see the visual change in colors for the downward step or upward step. Flat or very small steps show period of consolidation or weak trend when average price is not moving significantly in either direction. Now let's move on to the score settings. We have the average period, the average type, price, ATR period, and ATR step size. This determines how many bars are used to calculate each step of the average, and it also defines how much price must move before the average takes a new step, controlling how frequently the line updates and how smooth or jagged the staircase appears. We also have his visual settings that let you adjust the color and thickness of the step line so trend direction and step changes are easy to follow on the MT5 chart. Now the step average indicator is suited to traders who like moving averages but want a more discrete step-based representation of trend that can make changes in direction easier to spot. It is still a lagging analytical tool as steps are formed from past price data and can be late at turning points, and in shopping markets, the line may alternate steps frequently without producing clear directional information. For best results, it should be used alongside other tools such as support and resistance, oscillators, and risk management, rather than as a standalone decision maker. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. You can also read more about the step average indicator MT5 and view examples and charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like the video so you don't miss future educational videos.